Imagine your employees could submit their business expenses through an app, upload receipts, and track their approval status. And on the other side, your finance team could see all those expenses in one dashboard, filter them, review receipts, approve or reject requests, and even track reimbursements. Sounds like something that would normally require a developer, right? Well, in this video, I am going to build exactly that without writing a single line of code. And I am going to build it using Pabbly Studio. So let's start from scratch and see how quickly we can turn an idea into a real functional application. So the app we are building today is a business expense management app. The idea is pretty simple. Employees can simply submit the expense by entering the amount, selecting a category, adding a description, and uploading their receipt. Once the expense is submitted, it appears in their expense list with a status. On the other side, the manager or finance teams can view all expenses, filter them by different criteria, open individual submissions and approve or reject them. And we also have a dashboard where we can see things like total expenses, pending approvals, approved expenses, rejected expenses, and even reimbursements. So that's the end result we are aiming for. Now let's see how we can actually build it. So the first thing you need to do is open a new tab and search for pabbly.com, and you will enter the landing page of Pabbly. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up free button, enter your details and activate your free trial now. As I am an existing user, I can simply sign in. Over here, you can see all the Pabbly application, but today we need to use Pabbly Studio. So I can simply click on this Access Now button over here and I'll enter the dashboard of Pabbly Studio. And the interesting part here is that instead of starting with code, we are going to start with a simple description of what we want to build. This is where the AI-powered app building experience comes in. I do not need to manually create every page, write database queries, or code individual buttons. I can simply explain what I want my application to do. Now over here in the settings, you can simply check how many AI credits you have and how many AI credits you have used already. Now to create your app, you can simply click on this Create App button over here. It will ask you to name your app. I am simply going to name my app Business Expense Management. Next, you can simply click on this Create button. Now, as you guys can see, we have entered the Pabbly Studio chat box. And over here, you can simply type your prompt and tell Pabbly Studio what do you want in your application. For this project, I am going to give Pabbly Studio a detailed prompt describing our application, the different users, the features, and how the different parts of the app should work together. Now over here, I'm simply going to paste the prompt that I have already created for my application. I'm simply going to click on the Send Message button. Now as you guys can see, Pabbly Studio has started analyzing the prompt that I gave for my application. The more clearly we describe the application, the easier it is for the AI to understand what we are trying to build. For example, I am specifying that we have two types of users, employees and managers, and I am also explaining what each role should be able to do. And this is where things get interesting. Instead of spending hours creating individual screens and connecting different components manually, Pabbly Studio is taking the requirements from the prompt and turning them into the actual application structure. And our initial version is ready. Now let's take a quick look. So let's start from the employee side. Right away, we have a dashboard that gives the employee an overview of their expenses. We can see things like total submitted expenses, pending expenses, approved expenses, and rejected expenses. Now let's submit a new expense. We can simply enter the amount. We can choose a category, let's say food. I can choose a date from over here. I can add a description if I want. And I can also upload a receipt or invoice if I have any. Once everything is filled in, we can simply submit this expense. And there we go. The expense has been added to the employee's expense list over here. Here we can see the amount, category, date, receipt, and most importantly, the current approval status of the expense. So the employee doesn't need to constantly ask the finance team about their reimbursement. They can simply check the app. Now let's look at what happens from a manager or finance team's perspective. The manager gets a completely different view of the application. Here we have centralized dashboard showing company-wide expense information. We can see total expenses, pending approvals, approved expenses, rejected expenses, and reimbursements. And if I go to all expenses, I can see all the expense submissions in one place. This is particularly useful when a company has multiple employees submitting expenses at the same time. We can also filter the expenses. For example, I can filter by employees, category, status, and by date. This means the finance team doesn't have to manually go through every single submission. Now let's open one of the expense submission. Here the manager can see the complete expense information including the amount, category, description, date, and uploaded receipt. After reviewing the expense, the manager has two options. We can approve it or we can reject it. If we are rejecting an expense, we can also add a comment explaining why. This is useful because the employee can actually understand what needs to be corrected instead of simply seeing a rejected status. And once the manager takes an action, the status of the expense is updated. Once an expense have been approved, we can also track the reimbursements so the finance team can distinguish between expenses that have simply been approved and expenses that have actually been reimbursed. This gives the business a much clearer picture of where its money is going and which employee expenses are still waiting for payment. This is where all the information comes together. We can see the overall expense numbers, pending approvals, reimbursements, recent submissions, and category-wise expense data. For example, if a company notices that a large portion of its expenses are coming from travel, that information can immediately become useful for budgeting and decision making. And the best part is that we are not just looking at a static design. The different parts of the application are connected. When an employee submits an expense, it appears in the expense list. When a manager approves or rejects it, the status changes, and when it's reimbursed, the information is reflected as well. You can also preview your application on different screen sizes. You can see how the application looks on a tablet and as well as on a mobile phone. You can also share your application from over here. You can simply copy the link and share it. You can open your application from over here and look how it looks on the full screen. As you can see, this is my application. You can also use your own domain for this application if you want. And that's really where a tool like Pabbly Studio becomes useful. You can start with a business problem, describe the solution in natural language, and turn that idea into a working application without having to build everything from scratch. And that's it. We just built a complete business expense management app with employee expense submission, receipt uploads, approval workflows, manager dashboards, filtering, rejection comments, and reimbursement tracking without writing a single line of code. And this is just one example of what you can build with Pabbly Studio. You could use the same approach to create internal business tools, dashboards, CRM systems, productivity apps, customer portals, and much more. So if you have an app idea you've been sitting on because you don't know how to code, this is your sign to give it a try. Start with the idea, describe what you want, and let Pabbly Studio help you turn it into a real application. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.